probably the best known method now for trimming casts is a trim press. So when you're talking about the size of parts that these auto companies are using, these gigacasts, they're very large, which means your trim press has to be very large, which also means it's going to be very expensive. It's going to take up a lot of floor space in your shop. But probably the biggest weakness with the trim press is there's no flexibility with them whatsoever. Your die is made for a specific part, and if your part changes, you have to change the trim die. And that can take months, and it's also going to be very expensive. So perhaps the biggest advantage that plasma has is that it's very versatile, it's very flexible. If you change the part design, the only thing you need to do to cut it is to change the cut paths. You can use multiple plasma torches on the same part, integrated through a robot, so you can automate the whole process. So because plasma cuts fast, because it's more versatile, it's also more profitable.
Fiber laser requires a large amount of compressed nitrogen to cut, and it also requires a very small clearance between the end of the laser head and the casting, 1 millimeter. And this small clearance is impractical when it comes to preventing collisions with the casting. In contrast to that, plasma, you can cut with air, just compressed air, and we can use a large clearance of 6 to 7 millimeters to trim these castings, which is a lot more practical.
Harmax Sync 105 is designed to cut up to 32 millimeters for aluminum. The typical gates are in the range of 2 millimeter through 6 millimeter, and so Harmax 105 is ideally suited to cut these gates at really high speeds that serves the needs of the automotive industry.